tank removal for the Voyager. Get some tools. You always get them after you start, but there'll be a few you need. We'll go through it as we go. Pop, push down. Seat comes off. Remaining seat comes off. Okie doke. We have two bolts back here, a nut here, two Torx here, and we're going to need to take that ring off. First I'm going to pull this off here just so we can get access to the fuel line and the plug for the fuel pump. Bottom ones are longer. Can't screw that up because if you put the top ones in the bottom, they'll never hit threads. Okay, pops that out. Then you can reach back. And that's your hose. Comes off. You can get that up a little bit. Rag. I set it in there. Tuck it in there pretty good. Now we'll go ahead and we will take the 12s off. I'll be doing this in about a week and a half. Again. This is to install a dash cam. I still have to adjust the front steering bearings, retorque those. Okie doke. Let me my screwdriver. First of all, let's get this off of there. Oh, 10. Sorry. That was an 8. 10. This will go right back on as soon as I take the handle or the piece off. Same with these. Okey-doke. My screwdriver and my rack. Just kind of push down. Try and pull it up evenly because it works better. There we go. Don't force it, it'll come when it's ready. Just a matter of kind of adjusting it around. It comes off. So when you lift the tank up, you're going to see this cable. Okay? Find this flat piece. Okay? And you find the piece, and then what you do is just take your hand, hold the tank in there. This tab, oops, I'm off 9D. Where am I? There I am. See the notch in there? Just pull the tab towards you. Oops. Not a good sound, right? And that just pops out. Okay? Now you got that part. Now on the right side there's a vent hose. That's going to be last. So now we've got that. let's move on to the wonderful fuel. Take the red tab and push them over, and it comes unlocked and it snaps open. Okay? I just use my fingers to snap it over. If I pushed it, it snaps back. Just push it with my fingers. Shouldn't be difficult. If you're cutting your fingers or you're having problems, something else is wrong. So this is where I just pull this off. I make it look so easy. Not. And you see there's a little bit of gas that dribbled out. Now this rag will stay here the duration. Once I get the tank off, I don't think it's going to dribble anymore. Last couple of times it didn't do anything after the initial blurb, but you never know, so can't hurt. Now this is your vent hose. This is very important. When you put it back, it does not get kinked. If you get this kinked, you will cause problems. It will not run correctly, could possibly implode your tank. As the gas is burned, it needs to fill the tank with additional air to take up for that. Now, since I've done this a couple of times, I can get this off with my fingers. Okay, you may have to do a pair of pliers or something to help, or if you got a tool, then just work it. Vent hose came off with a little extra loving tug. So now we are going to see the tank come off. Darn it. Slowly work it back. Come off. Less gas, the easier it is. I have still a couple of gallons in there, so probably not the best.